So I really wasn't gonna come out here for real. I really wasn't gonna come out here in my car, one of my cars, you know what I mean? This one of my favorites right now. It's a newbie, but it's one of my favorites right now though. Like I'm riding and sliding. I'm out here in these YouTube streets, you know what I mean? It is what it is. You guys gonna love me, y'all gonna hate me, y'all gonna love me, like me, whatever. It don't even matter. You guys, I'm just trying to tell you, get your little tails on here on these YouTube streets. Start making this money. You know what I mean? Building your channels and everything else. We ain't got time for all that bull crap. It's all for the birds, you know what I mean? You gotta get on out here, start uploading your videos, do it all, yeah, like on a daily basis or every other day, something, you know what I mean? You keep talking about that you need to be paying all this and that, but guess what? You ain't even putting no videos out. How you supposed to be paying anything, but you ain't putting no videos out. You trying to be adding an extra revenue, an extra stream, right? That's what we out here doing. We are adding extra streams of incomes out here, you guys. That's how it's gonna be for 2025. It's nothing else other than that, you guys. I'm just trying to tell y'all, I'm out and about. Yeah, that's what it is. That's how it's gonna be, baby. Y'all gonna keep seeing me out on these YouTube streets, uploading, keep on creating. It don't matter. It don't matter what you gotta say. As far as if you on that low vibrational vibe, you know what I mean? You on that high vibrational vibe, yeah, I'm with it. I'ma listen to it, yeah. Most definitely. I've been out in these YouTube streets for the last, 2 years. You know what I mean? I started my YouTube channel back in 2011. You know what I mean? Things ain't work out the way that I wanted to work out. I quit YouTube. You know what I mean? I started back YouTube after I was monetized on Facebook, you guys. I've been monetized on Facebook like, more than one page. My main page. And also I had some faceless channels on there that's doing all right. You know what I mean? But folks, they be acting like they don't even be want to turn up for Queen Karate. But I come to turn up for everybody else. You know what I mean? I ain't got time for it. So that's why I'm leaving all these fakes behind. And I'm going to keep on grinding. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep growing. So once y'all come on and keep growing, keep grinding, keep going, period. Keep going, period. I'm going to bring you the content, period. For sure. We out here for sure, you guys. We got to make it happen for sure. We making it happen for sure. In 2025, hey, look. For all the ones that's a naysayers, let them keep on being a naysayers, because that's what they gonna do. They gonna continue doing that. Yeah, I'm out here with my ashy lips and all that. Right. Still it. Because guess what? It ain't on you, it's in you. It's in you. I want you to know that. It's in you. For sure. And I love you guys who grind with me. For sure. Y'all subscribing, y'all liking my videos, y'all. And oh shoot, hold on. That's my daughter on the phone. I'ma answer that in a minute though. But yeah, that's what we out here doing. And I'm about to cut this short because I need to answer the phone for my daughter. Because she might got some things going on for college and everything else. We out here grinding. Ooh!